Okay, let's inspect the connector that is ought to be put back. There's no missing no, it is not the board. That was the donor. The donor is here. Yeah, and the donor has a one connector left. One connector left. So let's it's a problem because I have this device in place where I always normally operate. It's okay. Nevertheless, let's remove it, the remaining one. It went. Here's the okay. So if it was there, it will go like this. So the one was from this area. So we have to put it back. But if you will put it back in this way, then it won't, this ending, I don't know if you can see this ending, must go behind this limitation restriction. But if you will put it just like that, it won't go there. So you have to use this kind of device, kind of piece of PCB, then it will guide the connector in place. Okay, yes, and it is in place. But the other one, this one, no, it's okay. You have to inspect if all those endings of the connector are lined correctly. Otherwise they might not contact. Here is the residue of solder. And now let's be brave. I'll be brave, you know. I'll try to put it back. What is the temperature of this solder pot? 200. It's 220 degrees. So I've cleaned it. It looks okay, it looks nice. So let's try to put it in a one one shot AGP. It will be like this. Okay, I'll try to visualize what I'm doing. Yes, this spare one has a broken removal device, but it's not so important. Yes, it's okay. And then it goes like this. So this part goes to the rear or the front of the mainboard, depends. Let's clean it. And let's be brave. Let's be brave. Generally my pot is too shallow, but I have no more of the solder to put into. Okay, let's put some flux here. Here and there. And then let's be brave. Let's be very, very brave. Now I'll put it like this. I don't know if you can see it. Because those plastic tabs are guiding rest, but due to the removal procedure, those tabs are rather molten or deformed. Oh, here this one is not straight. I don't know if it will be feasible to do it in a one-shot way. We'll see. I'm inspecting the pins. They are straight, because otherwise it will be a failure. I'm trying to observe if they will fit. No. 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 It's not a good idea, because you I think the board is destroyed now. Oh. Oh. It started to pop. No, it said failure, mister. It was a failure. One shot was a failure, you see. It started to pop. You can see popping. So it was not a good idea to do it in this way. Oof, I destroyed the board now. It was not a good idea. You can see, I think there are some capacitors displaced. I think this flux got into the board. But nevertheless, maybe the AGP port will be unoperable. We'll see. We will see. Here it's okay. The upper part is popped. Stupid me. Maybe I should have tried to do it on the. See, here's band one. Okay, so it's a failure of this one-shot idea. Here's a wire that might have been broken. And here's another one. We'll see. We will see. Let's stop it now. I think this board with those sockets was from the era of lead solder, so it should not have this high temperature of this solder pot. So I had too high temperature because it was a lead-free era, so and this plastic was not so temperature resistant.